Hello everyone, let's talk about assignment 4 and how this gonna work. So the assignment 4 is all about the global link between life expectancy and the fertility rates. So for making the dashboard here I have uploaded the four spreadsheets that already given by the professor. Here is the first one, the fertility rate having four properties, and the country population have different properties in it, have life expectancy have different properties, and the metadata countries have the country name, code, region, and income group. After that, I have removed the similarities of the tables, and I have made a relation between these four tables. As metadatas, countries, and the fertility rate have the country name common, so I make a, and four of them has a country code and name in the common, so make a relation with them. And the life expectancy and the country population has the years and life expectancy, and there's a common, so I made a relation in that. After that, I have made the first graph of the project is the average fertility rate and the first year by income group and region. Here I have taken x-axis as the income group. I have taken the income group from metadata country and the region from it as y as the legend, and average of fertility rate. From here I made a formula for that as the fertility rate average of it, and I taken that. So here the output of this visualization, and for this I took the bar chart, the column one, and so here the highest is the average fertility rate is 155 in the, that's the 1960 year, which is from the income group, a high income group, non OECD, and the region is North America. The year is 1960. And after that the second highest is the Europe and Central Asia, whereas the average fertility rate is 1300 in the first year, same as 1960. After that the third highest fertility average is 1 1230, which is again the first year 1960 from East Asia and Pacific Asia. After that, I have made the average popularity by life expectancy. Here I have take x-axis as life expectancy from the life expectancy, and the y-axis from average of population from the countries and population Excel sheet. And here I have made the average of population index through the formula. So from this we can have a line graph. It's like from 1960 it's 14 million of average population, which goes up to 33 million by the end of 2013. After that I have created one more graph, same as the line. Here I have take the average of life expectancy by year. So the life expectancy in x-axis I take the years, and y-axis is I take the average of life expectancy, in which by end of 1986 the life expectancy is about 1986 as per the data set. After that I have made the bookmark through which we can get the high income group versus life expectancy. So as we can see, North America has the highest average of fertility rate in the income group of high income, as in which the average population is 65,000 and the average life expectancy is 2013, whereas the average fertility rate is 1555. So after that, if we want to change anything, any regions from here, we can change it. It's 11 point is change different through the drop down menu, and there is the income group classified differentiation over here, from which we can use the upper minimum, lower middle class income, higher income, and the higher income non OECD. And here the age drop down menu is there, from which we can change the year sections. So from 1960 we can change it up to 2013. So this is my dashboard, and here is the reset bookmark, so we can come back to the original dashboard. So this dashboard shows us the life expectancy over time, which known as life expectancy has steadily increased, especially from 1960s to 1980s. The rise is largely thanks to medical advancement, better public health initiative, and overall economic development. The second is income and fertility rate. The bar chart comparing fertility rate by income group shows a clear pattern. Wealthier countries, whether they are part of the OECD or not, have fewer births per woman than low income countries. After that, the link between life expectancy and fertility. A scatter plot examining this relationship reveals a clear trend. Countries with higher life expectancy often have lower fertility rates. This global pattern suggests that improvement in healthcare and overall quality of life leads to smaller families. Fourth, the regional trend. Regional data highlights some interesting contrasts. For example, East Asia stand out with high life expectancy and low fertility, like due to strong healthcare system and effective family planning. In contrast, sub-Saharan Africa shows the opposite pattern. Lower life expectancy paired with higher fertility rates, often linked to limited access to healthcare and slower economic development. So, overall conclusion of this data sets are: the data paints a clear picture. Life expectancy and fertility rates are closely connected. As people live longer and society advance, fertility rates tends to decline. These trends reflect a mix of social, economic, and healthcare factor that continues to shape population growth and demographic changes around the world. This is all about the global link between life expectancy and fertility rate. Thank you.